All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course and we're still doing our feature extraction module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, today we just did more note taking, but we are going to start writing code soon. I think we're going to start that tomorrow, but for today, we are just going to be reading over some light notes. So let's pick up where we left off. So it should be noted that we generally use the concept of transfer learning when we have a very small data set. And obviously, since deep learning models perform best with larger data sets, we want to get the best out of them. So we want to use the transfer learning when we have a small data set, as we've said, and we have this model which has been pre-trained to extract these useful features from these kinds of images. So this simply means that we should have two similar data sets. Another advantage of using or working with transfer learning is that we get to gain in terms of training compute costs. That means that the model which is pre-trained may have been trained for say 3 days, for example, and then all we need to do is just get the pre-trained model and then apply transfer learning on our own specific smaller tasks. And so when we're running on limited budget, we find that working with pre-trained models is going to be really helpful. Now, apart from transfer learning, we also have fine tuning, which is quite similar in the sense that unlike with transfer learning, where we have the feature extractors weights, which are fixed, and then during training, we update the weights of the classification section. With the fine tuning, what we could do is also update the weights of the feature extraction section. Now, basically, that's what we did this morning. We just went over more concepts of the feature extraction, and then we did dive a little into the fine tuning. I'm not going to dive all the way into it with the fine tuning, but yeah, that's basically where we left off. Like I said, tomorrow we are going to start building code for this particular model, the feature extraction, and we're going to actually we can do take a look at some pre-trained models. So yeah, that should be interesting. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.